So I had somebody ask me yesterday why I am so anti-laptops. Now, I should start by saying I'm not anti-laptop per se. Laptops, if you are on the go, are great. They're convenient and all the rest of it, but they're not desktop replacements. And let me explain why. Well, so I don't know how well you can see this image, but this is a bloke using a laptop at an office desk. There are various problems with this picture. I mean, one of them is that he can't really reach the floor with his feet, which tells me that the desk is too high and the chair's too high. And the desk is definitely too high because his elbows are below the height of his hands. However, the big issue here really is the laptop. And the problem with laptops is that it produces this curved back position because the screen is so close, so low relative to your hands, basically, that it brings your head and your hands too close together. So either you end up sort of up here typing away to keep your head in a decent position, or you end up with your head way low down. Now, what this chap's done is he's sort of tried to compromise, so his hands are too high and his head's too low. Genius. And what you can see is that his head has ended up way too far forwards of his hips. Now that is going to cause his back muscles to overwork, to stop him from face planting onto his computer. So he's going to end up with tight long back muscles, tight neck muscles, and he's at risk of RSI, back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, all that jazz. Now, this is not a drama if he is using it for short periods and getting up to move regularly, stretch out and all the rest of it. But if he's going to be sitting like this for 8-10 hours at a stretch, he's going to end up pretty sore. So to get around this, what he should be doing, apart from sorting out his desk and chair height, is to lift up his laptop, bring it to about yay high, and then have an external keyboard and mouse so that he can separate his head and his hands. If you'd like to know any more about that sort of thing, I've got an online course which I will link to below.